And they said it couldn't be done. Yes, indeedy. See this here? I picked all this stuff out. Just spent a little bit of time. It's still the same day. Look, I got that whole thing filled up, and I found this potting soil in the garage. Oh, I was telling you that I went to Pandora and got on classic rock stories. That's pretty interesting, if that's your genre. And that's what keeps me company out here when I'm working. And so let's just put a little bit on here. I'm sure I'm not going to have enough for everything, but I thought this will help kind of fill in the low spots, plus it'll help the other grass grow there. What do you think? So, I'm just going to do that along over here. Oh, like I say, I just kind of do things on the fly. Stuff's been sitting so long in the garage. Guess I could do that. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to have enough. That's okay. That's okay. I'll be going to the store tomorrow. I'll get some more.
You'll find the key on the door handle.
What, Motha?
You'll find the key on the door handle.
Okay. Put this on the list. Potting soil on my list for the store.
Okay. Potting soil.
And did it take me a little time and effort to do this today? Yeah, I ended up spending all day out here. I started about 10 o'clock or so, and look, 6:15 already. But Mother does a lot of nice things for me, so whenever I come out to her house and spend a few days, I just don't mind. Okay. Well, I think that's all I got. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.